Hi, welcome back to Science 1206, the Sustainability of Ecosystems unit. I'm Ms. Ledwell, and in this video, we'll talk about the roles of organisms in ecosystems. Many of the terms you'll see in this video is a review of concepts you learned in grade 7 science, so it'll look a little familiar to you. Let's get started. Organisms in an ecosystem have different roles depending on how they obtain their food. Organisms may be classified as producers, consumers, or decomposers. Producers are organisms that make their own food. Plants produce their own food through the process of photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, plants use abiotic resources including sunlight, carbon dioxide gas in the air, and water to produce their own food. Examples of producers include phytoplankton in the ocean, algae, trees, grass, and berry bushes. Consumers are organisms that eat other organisms for food. Consumers may eat plants, animals, or a combination of both. Consumers may be classified as herbivores, omnivores, or carnivores, depending on their diet. Consumers that eat only plants are called herbivores. Examples include moose, deer, elephants, giraffes, and the snowshoe hare. Carnivores are animals that only eat other animals. Examples include sharks, wolves, lions, owls, spiders, and seals. Consumers that eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Black bears are classified as omnivores because they eat berries and nuts, as well as meat from animals such as deer, fish, and insects. Chicken, crows, and raccoons are also examples of omnivores. Consumers may also be categorized as predators or prey. A predator is an animal that hunts and kills other consumers for food. Predators eat other animals. Carnivores like sharks, wolves, and lions are predators. Prey are the animals that are eaten by other animals. Moose are prey that are eaten by wolves. Zebras are prey for lions. Decomposers are organisms that break down dead organisms into their basic parts. Decomposers do not eat their food, but rather, they release chemicals that break down dead tissue into smaller particles. The decomposers then absorb the nutrients into their own cells. When decomposers break down waste matter and dead organisms, they also release nutrient materials into the soil, water, and air, where they can be used by producers. Producers use the nutrients to help them grow. In this way, nutrients are recycled. Examples of decomposers include bacteria and fungi such as mushrooms. Now it's time to review. Complete the learning activities in Brightspace.